How's it going, everybody? I have purchased a new firearm, and oh lord, this may be my favorite handgun of all time. Even more than my HKs. I didn't know another pistol like this existed, but let's do an unboxing and let me show you the pistol that I'm talking about. This is the Sig P226 Legion, and what a fantastic gun this is. I know you love it. I love it as well. This is the firearm. This is one of the most beautiful handguns I've ever seen. Okay, so let me tell you what's all in the box. First of all, comes with 3 magazines. 3 15-round magazines. And they all flush fitting. Here's the other 2. You're going to get lots of little doodads in the box. Gonna get that, whatever that is. Gonna get the pamphlet, the manual. Tells you everything about it. Also, you're gonna get that spectacular Legion sticker. 6 hour. Another sticker. Might put that one on the bumper. And then you get another sticker. Not sure what this one's for. That. Finally, Legion's series little pamphlet showing you all of the exclusive accessories that they offer for the Sig Legion members. So if you go register this pistol online with Sig Sauer, you get sent a challenge coin and you get sent a new case, which will look like that right there. And I've already registered it. They should be sending those 2 things to me pretty soon. But there's a lot of other things on their website that you can order. I'll just wait till you join so you can see what they all are, because there is no greater 226 pistol. I was so close to getting the 226 Navy, which is the Mark 25, but when I finally got a hold of this one, I understood the difference between the Mark 25 and this one. This is just and I know some of you are curious, so I'll show you, $13.09 for this one. They had it at another store for $11.99, so $1,200, but I didn't quite make it there in time. I had to go to this other gun store to get it, but I don't care. This gun's totally worth it. It's never leaving my possession. First of all, these grips, these G10 grips that's on it, they feel so good in your hand. Very grippy, but not too grippy. You got your Legion logo right there on it. You have some very nice night sights with a blacked out rear, just like I love to have. We do have a green front sight post, which I've always avoided getting green because where I live at, there's lots of green everywhere. A green front post kind of gets lost in the woods because there's greenery everywhere. But I don't care. It's no big deal. I'll get used to it. I'm not touching them sights. They have a very minimalistic slide release, slide catch on here. So you pull that right there, and it's really, it's not that. I've heard some people kind of complain it's kind of too small or whatever. It's fine. It is fine. Like, yeah. I kind of thought it was going to be too small as well, but it's not. It's all. I'd much rather it be like that because of my thumb's forward grip. I have a bad tendency to ride slide catch with my thumb, so when I do that, it doesn't lock back for me on the last round, but I should not have that problem with this one. And then you got your little slick decocker. There it is. You can kind of control how fast you bring it down. And then for this pistol's shining quality, this trigger. I'm gonna have to do it like this. So just watch this double action. It's got a little heft to it, but the smoothness level is crazy. None of my HKs have a double action that smooth. When I picked it up and I pulled that for the first time, I was like, Jesus, this blows everything I have out the water. So there's your double action. Now, watch the single action. Okay, so here we go. You got that little take up. That's just common on all the SIGs. You break. All right, now watch this. Don't take your eyes off the birdie. Boom. That's it. Wow. That's all I can say. One more time for you people. Boom. I'm already at the wall. Boom. I'm gonna shoot so fast with this gun. Oh, it feels so good. Look in my hands. Look how perfect this sucker molds to my hands. I am extremely happy with this purchase. I got online the other night and I ordered 3 20-round Mec-Gar magazines, which are very good quality. Nobody ever has a problem with them that I've read. They're gonna do something that I like. They're gonna stick out of the pistol about this far. You know, some people might not like that because it's just kind of prints, but look, this is not a carry gun for me. This is a shooting at the range gun. When I go to grab a gun real quickly, me knowing that there's another inch or half an inch off the pistol of the handle just gives me the confidence that I'm gonna grab the pistol every single time. Because, you know, sometimes you might not grab it completely good. I mean, try to always grab it, of course, right here. If you're off just a tiny bit, because that extension is there, you're gonna grab it. And that's what I like about it. I don't know, it's something mental in the mind that just knowing that there's a little bit extra right there makes me feel good when I'm trying to draw fast from the holster. Oh man, I keep dry firing it. I can't help myself every day. I want to go to the range and shoot it so bad. It's just gotten done raining a lot here. My campsite's very wet, so I want to wait till it dries off a little bit before I go up there. Yes. Okay, just wanted to do an unboxing video and show y'all my new firearm. Make sure to like and subscribe. We're gonna go shoot this thing and you're gonna love it and I'm gonna love it. So let's love it together.